Namaskaraha. Today we are not learning grammar. We are seeing how Sanskrit shows who is doing the action. So let us begin. So who studies, who runs, who changes their life? The one who acts changes his or her life. In Sanskrit, the doer has a special form, and today we will start speaking it. When we say Ramaha Pathati, Rama reads. So, similarly, we say Sita Gachati. Sita Gachati. Sita is going or Sita goes. So, Ramaha Pathati. Who reads? We say Ramaha. Then Sita Gachati. Who is going? We say Sita. Similarly, we can say Balakaha Dhavati. We can say Balakaha Dhavati. Balakaha Dhavati. That means the boy runs. So here in all of these cases we can ask Ramaha, who reads? Then the answer is Ramaha. Then in the second one we can say who goes, and answer is Sita. And third one, who runs, and the answer is boy or Balakaha. So Sita Gachati. So we see a pattern now. When we say Rama, we are seeing the Rama becomes Ramaha. There is a Visarga sign added. But does Sita change? No. Similarly, we see Balakaha. Balaka becomes Balakaha. Balaka, there is also a Visarga sign added at the end. So, not all words change in the same way, but Sanskrit clearly shows who is acting. Similarly, we can say Aham. Aham is a very important word in Sanskrit. We can say Aham. Aham Pathami or Aham Badalami or Aham Parivartaye. Aham Parivartaye. Aham Pathami, I read. Aham Badalami, I change. Aham Parivartaye, similarly I transform. So, or Aham Dhabami, I run. Aham Dhabami. Aham Dhabami. I run. So in all these sentences, we can ask, who is doing? I. Because we are the doer of our lives. So we have seen the action doing by whom. Who does the action? So we can again say, keeping this pattern, we can say Ramaha hasati, Ramaha laughs. So more examples like Ramaha hasati, Rama laughs. Then we have like Balakaha khelati, Balakaha khelati, Balakaha khelati, boy plays, Guru badati. We can say Guruhu badati, Guruhu badati. Guru speaks, a teacher speaks. So we have seen, and now we can change this to Aham. So we can say Aham khelami, Aham badami, Aham hasami. So these can be our real life affirmation practices. So we can say Aham pathami, Aham shramami, Aham karma karomi, Aham prayasam karomi. We can say Aham prayasam karomi. Aham prayatne karomi, Aham prayatne karomi. That means I make effort. Aham shramam karomi, Aham shramam karomi. So these can be our real life practices, real life affirmation practices. So we can say this in the morning. So this form of the doer is called as Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti. So when someone is doing something, Sanskrit uses this form. Sanskrit uses this form to indicate that someone is doing something. So today we have seen an important practice of Sanskrit telling us who is doing the action. So in the next video, we'll see the whom, on whom the action is being done, or the receiver end, receiver part. So please share your learnings in the comment section. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you. Namaskar.